In the busyness of our day, we often lose focus. What do I mean by that? I mean we lose focus of what really is important. You know, every day we go to work or we do our job or we do the things that we do and we don't think about it. We don't focus. And really all that matters is in your working life and what you're doing is that today you're just that little bit better than you were yesterday, because that's progress, that's moving forward. So what are you doing today to make yourself a little bit better than you were yesterday? And what are you going to do tomorrow that's going to make you a little bit better than you were today? Sometimes just looking at one thing differently or changing one thing in how you do things every day with your technology can make such a difference in the long term to your productivity. I'm Donna Hanson, productivity strategist, and I'd love to help you or your organization work smarter and not harder with Microsoft Office.